At Gurukulplex, we aim to establish a learning atmosphere that stimulates, backs up and praises the particular requirements and capabilities of each student. By increasing approval and being part of the classroom, we cultivate an extensive domain that is affirming and supportive for everyone. We are here to discuss how to create a learning environment where everyone is accepted and included without regard to their background or abilities. We should embrace and recognize the individual strengths of our students, helping to cultivate a culture of acceptance and respect that will have a positive effect on our students. Diversity is ubiquitous in modern society. An inclusive learning environment goes beyond mere diversity recognition and steps into the realm of inclusivity. With an inclusive learning environment, students of all backgrounds, capabilities, and circumstances are given equal chances to succeed. Uniqueness is appreciated and everyone is made to feel wanted in such an atmosphere, which allows students to participate in their studies, form healthy connections, and attain their maximum potential. An inclusive learning environment is essential for student growth and progress. Embracing diversity in the classroom is essential for creating a positive environment for students to learn and succeed. By recognizing and appreciating the different cultures, backgrounds and perspectives of each student, we can foster an atmosphere of understanding and respect. As educators, it is important to make use of a variety of methods and approaches in order to reach and engage all students. A teacher who is able to blend different teaching styles can ensure each student has an equal opportunity to learn. Diversity in the classroom is more than just a phrase, it is a vital component of creating an inclusive atmosphere for learning. Inclusion is critical for establishing a secure and beneficial learning experience. It involves noticing and honoring the special talents, aptitudes, and points of view of each student. All of us need to assume an active part in advancing inclusion by pushing for cooperation, providing a variety of learning styles, and employing culturally conscious teaching approaches. Now, let us investigate the consequences of global warming on the environment and human culture. As educators, it's up to us to create an inclusive learning environment for all of our students. This means understanding and accommodating the unique needs of each student, while also addressing any biases or stereotypes that may exist. Providing alternative assignments and materials for students with different learning styles or disabilities is one way to ensure that everyone feels valued and included. We can also create a culture of respect and understanding in the classroom by incorporating discussions about diversity and inclusion into the curriculum. This helps students learn to appreciate differences and become more open-minded. An inclusive learning environment is essential for all students to reach their full potential. At its core, creating an inclusive learning environment is about recognizing and respecting the unique values and experiences that every student brings. By embracing each other's differences, we can create classrooms that are open, inclusive, and accepting. Inclusion goes beyond celebrating diversity, it means actively working to remove barriers that prevent all students from participating fully in the learning experience. Through collaboration and active engagement, we can create an environment where all students can thrive and contribute positively to the learning experience. Thank you for listening.